The MT-09 versus the MT-07. We want to see what the sound difference is in these bikes, both with an Akrapovic exhaust. All right, guys, so we're going to start off with this Yamaha MT-09. We're going to start it up, see how she sounds when she starts, rev it up a little bit, see how it sounds. All right, same thing here, guys. We're going to start up the MT-07, see how she sounds, give it a few revs. All right, guys, you let us know in the comments below which one do you prefer, the sound of the MT-09 or the sound of the MT-07.